Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cut out any image in GIMP app. So here, all you have to do now, you can open GIMP and import your project, for example this image. So here, in order to cut out, for example, you can use any tools here, but usually I'm use the free select tool. Select hand-drawn region with free and polygonal segment. Here, for example, you can start to create your cutout by using this tool. So let's cut out this cat. So here you can do it manually, or you can create perfectly smoothly by using this tool. So here we go. You can simply click delete and the cat is cut out. So you can try any tools here, for example, or you want to add alpha, you can try to click layer, and transparency, you can add alpha channel here. And here let's see the difference, and here we go. So here this is the alpha channel. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.